This is a boat that was just purchased at an auction. It was winterized in 2018. We knew it was winterized in 2018 because we did it. Because that's the protector we put on, and she took shrimp wrap off it. She didn't know that we winterized it. They just told her at the auction it was winterized, so she didn't know a thing about it. So we're going to go ahead and see how good our winterizations last, since it's been 7 years now. Go ahead and try to start up. Do the throttle thing where you press the center button in, and
Now, does it need to be in neutral when I start it? Back up to neutral?
no, it needs to be all the way forward, and that's why you keep your hand press the center button. Okay, there we go. Leave it down there. Yeah, now it's again. But I would start it with your left hand and keep your right hand on that thing so it doesn't redline. Put it all the way down and keep your hand on it.
Okay.
It's smoking because I fogged the engine 7 years ago. Go ahead. Pump the gas. Pump it while you're trying to start it. Pump it when it starts doing that again. There's a tag on there that shows how many RPMs it's going. If you open up the engine compartment, I believe we're going to probably have something causes the alarm to go off. Yeah. That reservoir over to the right hand is empty.
Yeah.
And that's activating the alarm. So
that's the beeping?
Yeah.
I knew that was empty, but I didn't want to mess with it.
Okay.